Hi, I'm Chris Weiler, and I'm the executive chairman here at Weiler Abrasives Group. The heritage of Weiler dates back to 1898 when my great-grandfather was a partner in a brush-making company in Germany. And I think he would be amazed to see the growth that the company has gone through in that time.
Hi, I'm Bill Dwyer, and I'm the Vice President of Global Sales and Marketing at Weiler Abrasives. Today, Weiler Abrasives Group has 9 facilities in North America, South America, and Europe. So we're well positioned to deal with multinationals and provide solutions in local markets around the world. And we think we do that differently because we're a mid-sized company that has the capability of the market leaders, very broad abrasive capability, but we're able to apply that at a local level in a flexible and fast way to drive solutions with both end users and distributors.
My name is David Young. I'm the president of A&M Industrial. Weiler truly went from being a brush manufacturer into what's today a global manufacturer of abrasives. So it gives us an opportunity to go deeper into customers. It's much easier to do that than to try to win brand new business. With their reputation and with the quality of their products, it gives us a great avenue to sell more.
I'm Christina Matos, Global BI Lead for Weiler Abrasives. Our mission is to show our customers they can trust us. They're partnering with us. We are providing a solution for their everyday needs. And when we come together and create something new, it's just amazing.
I'm Rok Mezgec, Director of Supply Chain and R&D at Weiler EMEA. My responsibility is driving innovation by embracing change to improve our products and our processes. R&D co-workers have deep technical knowledge of abrasive products, gathered with experience in abrasive and surface conditioning industries. Weiler has a world-class laboratory equipment that helps us recognizing top material quality and manufacturing process stability. Those will deliver a value-added product and the right performance-based solutions to meet our end users' surface conditioning needs.
I'm Igor Mesarec, and I am a production line leader at Weiler Abrasives Group. With automatic production process, we gain a high level of repeatability. This is reflecting in the performance and the quality of our products.
Our partnership with Weiler is not just one of them bring us a known product. We allow them to come up with innovative ideas and be able to trial them with us.
They're helping us build efficiency by getting us quicker grind times, getting us a wheel that not only cuts, but doesn't disintegrate as it's cutting.
They increased our throughput by at least 50% and saved over $100,000 in cost.
Knowing that our products are impacting industries, manufacturing process and lives of people around the world, that's a fantastic feeling.
Partnership at Weiler means a number of things. It starts with a hassle-free experience, ensuring that our products get to our customers on time, correct every time. It's also about having a strong direct support out in the field. This is making sure that our salespeople and application experts really show up at the end user, understanding products, understanding applications, and providing great solutions.
Hi, I'm Rick Hopkins from Weiler Abrasives. I'm the Senior Product Manager of Metal Fabrication. When I talk to an end user about what product they're using, by having the opportunity to work with them and talk to them very directly about how these products are designed to be used, we're able to show them the ways that they can get more out of them. Because the reality is, if you first start with using the product safely and as it's designed, you can't help but notice a performance benefit, and then ultimately that can lead to cost savings.
We lead in the field with technical selling, and we get great support from Weiler in that regard. Their people are tops at solving application problems in the metalworking industry, and working together with them, it's just a formula for success.
It's really exciting to get up every morning and be part of a global company and know that you are creating solutions for end users in all sorts of different industries, applications.
They really try to bring in their innovative ideas and their resources that they have globally to make you successful.
Weiler has good price points in the marketplace, a broad product line, excellent brand recognition, and people who are very passionate about what they do. And they're a great business partner.
You should want Weiler to work for you.
Weiler will change the way you think about abrasives and give you a competitive edge.